Dumela, welcome back to Setswana class. Today we are going to talk about wild animals. So this is not even half of the wild animals that you can find in Botswana. So we are going to name these wild animals and also try to form sentences in there. Okay, here we go. The first animal is Tau. Tau. Lion. The second animal is Tlou. Tlou. Elephant. Then we have Nari. Nari. Buffalo. And we have Tsukudu. Tsukudu. Rhino or rhinoceros. Then we have Kubu. Kubu. Hippopotamus. And then we have Pitianaga. Pitianaga. Zebra or zebra. Then we have Tutwa. Tutwa. That is giraffe. And we have Koko. Koko. That is a wild beast. And then we also have Mano. Mano. Vultures. So yeah, those are the wild animals. So now I'm going to try to form sentences that might come with these animals when you are maybe having a conversation with somebody who speaks Setswana. Most people will say, "Ke tshaba tau." Ke tshaba tau. I'm afraid of a lion. Ke rata tou or ke rata tlou. I love elephant. Nari ke phologolo e borai thata. Nari ke phologolo e borai thata. Buffalo is a very dangerous animal. Tsukudu e lebelo. Tsukudu e lebelo. A rhino is very fast. Kubu e nna mo metsing. Kubu e nna mo metsing. Hippopotamus stays in the water. Pitianaga e ntle thata. Pitianaga e ntle thata. A zebra is very beautiful. Tutwa e thamotelele. Tutwa e thamotelele. A giraffe has a very long neck. Kgokong e bona mothofu. Kgokong e bona mothofu. Wild beast that's easily to be spotted. And manong a fofela godimo. Manong a fofela godimo. Vultures love to fly very high. So yeah, that's the end of the animal class. Well, the wild animals are so many, so I just cut them to the few that I can recall just from my head. So feel free to ask questions whenever you have any question about names of animals. And if you're from Botswana, let me know if I got this other animals wrong or if that's okay. So I really appreciate your support. Please continue subscribing. We need those numbers. And if you're watching this video, please watch other videos as well and make sure that you watch them fully so that we can get more views as well. So thank you so much. The more you watch these videos, the more the algorithm share them with people that might share the same interest as you. So you are helping a lot just by clicking these videos. Thank you so much. I'll see you on the next video. Ke a leboga.